Hey friends, welcome to day 2 of my adventures in Singapore. In Singapore, the southwest monsoon season lasts from June to September, and at that time, I was in the thick of it. There was either rain in the morning, afternoon, or evening, and sometimes it would rain multiple times a day. So it was important for me to go out and explore as soon as the rain stopped. Today's adventure will take us to Universal Studios, where I meet up with Salome, who's from Kenya, and Errol, who's from Zimbabwe, two friends I met on the 18-day cruise to Japan, and they've never been to a theme park. They were both still working on the cruise ship while at dry dock on the opposite end of town, so I told them I would meet them at the park. I arrived early and was able to walk the perimeter and grab something light to eat, because you know, your girl loves a good snack. But before we get into that, I want to note this video will be sponsored by the lovely app Headspace, but more on that later on in the video. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now, and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care for godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. This is a lemon juice with plum, and I got, what is this? Roti. It's like roti canai. R-O-T-I-C-A-N-A-I. And this is like a buttery kind of like masala sauce. And this is just a snack until I get inside. The Florida girl is viewing another Universal. Let's see if this one's better than Orlando. When everyone arrived, we made it inside and the atmosphere was great. There was music blasting everywhere, which means I have to mute a lot of the clips due to copyright laws, so forgive me for all of the voiceovers. But the first and most important stop at this theme park was right at the entrance, a Hello Kitty store. Knowing I literally have no space in my luggage. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fiercest one of all? Excuse me. And if you didn't know, I love Hello Kitty, like so much that I have 2 tattoos. And I found something I wanted to purchase that would actually be useful during my time in Singapore, so I made a mental note to return before we left. We then made our way to our first ride, which was a Transformers 4D theme ride. They just experienced their first 4D experience. How was it?
It was scary for me. It was so scary. I was like,
I need the scary one.
now we are ready for part 2.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, so they've never been on a roller coaster ride before, so we legit about to go on a real roller coaster ride. And if she was scared, baby, she better hold on.
He was not scared. Guys, he was not.
A few moments later.
So you just completed your first roller coaster ride.
It was scary. I even said, I'm like, I will never go back with you. I will never go.
I want another one.
No.
I
was closing my eyes. It was like, open your
Yes. That one was so nice.
eyes. It was like, open your eyes.
She had her eyes closed like half of the ride. Oh my gosh, it looks like we're in Mummy Town. Let me show you. Ooh, how nice. Alright, let's get the walk in. Being here at the theme park with 2 adults who've never been to one before was such a wholesome experience for me. Of course, I have no kids, but I felt like a mom sitting on the couch on Christmas morning watching her babies open their gifts. The excitement and happiness brought me so much joy. We're about to go on this one. That ride was so much fun. I think that was my favorite. And then the Transformers one, and then the other real roller coaster that we just went on. But now it's a 45-minute wait. But now we're about to go over to Shrek's area to see what that's about. As we made our way to Far Far Away land, which is Shrek's territory, we passed Jurassic Park, but unfortunately all the lines were too long, so we continued on. We then walked into Far Far Away, and we were greeted by Smash Mouth's song All Star, which I know y'all know that song, blasting through the speakers. And it's been ages since I've been to Universal Studios in Florida, and I honestly don't remember if that particular theme park was as detailed as this one. Each section was detailed so well, I felt like I was an extra on a movie set. As I looked around, I could see the excitement in the eyes of Salome and Errol, and I decided that I wasn't going to spend these moments filming every little detail. I wanted to actually live it and experience it with them. So towards the end of our trip, we stumbled upon this juice bar that I was super excited to try. How to Train a Dragon!
Oh my god, I love this movie.
Oh my gosh, it's closed. Wait a minute. It can't be. We're in for another 4D experience. I think I like the 4D experiences more than the regular roller coasters. Like, it's the whole feel to it. So this is a 20-minute wait. We shall see. After the not so thrilling 4D ride, we watched a few street performers, ate some weird theme park food, and I purchased my Hello Kitty souvenir and called it a night. I'm taking the train for the first time. Go public transportation. I'm so tired, friends. So I'm starting RuPaul's Drag Race Season 6 UK. Ordered some takeout from Wok K. This is Shanghai fried rice with, I added broccoli and beef. And it's good. My body hurts. I'm aching. You know, that's what happens when a late 30-something-year-old goes to the theme park for hours and walk around. And yeah, child, my body hurt. I don't know if I'm going anywhere today. We shall see. Hey friends, I got something super exciting to share with you all today. As many of you know, since I've had Domino, I've been working on my personal growth and wellness journey. And with that, I've been using this app called Headspace since 2019. It's been a game changer for my mental health and wellness journey. And now I'm thrilled to tell you all that I've partnered with them and I am an ambassador. So here's the deal. I've got a special gift for you. You can get 1 free month trial of Headspace by signing up through the link in my video description below. If you've been looking for ways to manage stress, improve your focus, or even get better sleep, Headspace is packed with amazing features like meditation, breathing exercises, sleep casts, and so much more. And trust me, it helped me stay grounded while I was in Singapore because that trip did not go as planned, but you'll see it in the upcoming episodes. But now, it is very useful with all the planning I'm doing for my 2025 Grand Adventures. So here's the thing, every time someone signs up using my link, I get a little kickback which goes directly towards funding my travels. So not only will you be improving your own mental well-being, but you'll also be supporting me and my dreams, and I can't thank you enough for that. Once you've had a chance to try it out, let me know in the comments below how you like it. What features are you finding the most helpful? Because I truly enjoy the nighttime storytelling. That's just my jam. And just so you know, your support truly means the world to me, and I am so grateful for all of you. Thanks again for always being here for me, being amazing friends, and for helping me make these adventures possible. Now, don't forget to hit that link in the video description below and get your free trial today. Talk soon, friends. Bye. Good morning, my beautiful friends. Ooh. Oh, the trash people, it stinks. Ooh. Good morning, my beautiful friends. We have like a few hours until rain is projected here for the entire day. So I just put on something regular and I'm about to try out this Baker and Cook restaurant. They look like they have really nice reviews on Google Maps. They have coffee, they have fresh juices, you know, my jam. So let's go check out breakfast. And I brought my umbrella the Hello Kitty one that I got from Universal Studios just in case it rains. So let's go. Baker and Cook. Cute. Nice breads and tarts and everything. Sweets. Ooh, that golden nugget butter cake. That looks delicious. So, yeah. I'm getting this to go. And I'm gonna get some type of latte. So we shall see. I got a vanilla latte. So I got something different. This was advertised. It's called the Sunrise Stack. And this is ham and cheese toast. And you have avocado, scrambled eggs, and Parmesan cheese. That looks delicious. Thank God for travel insurance, right? Yeah, so we're about to go on an adventure. I reached out last night to American Express Travel Insurance because that's who I purchased through. So I've been in Singapore, I think today's day 4, and like on day 1 or day 2, I noticed I had like a rash that was on my forearms and also above my knees. And over like the past few days, my arms have kind of like cleared up, but the little skin rash that is above my knee, it seems like it's spreading. I went online and it looks like contact dermatitis, which I could have gotten it. You know, I had them do my laundry in Bali, and I do low-key have sensitive skin. So when I do my laundry, I use like all natural products, or if I can't find that, I'll use the baby sensitive skin version of stuff. When I got my stuff back, it was very scented, so I don't know if my body had reacted to that. But then also I went to the spa like 3 different times, so who knows. But travel insurance, so they reached out to a few clinics and I'm about to go to one. So it is like under $40 for the consultation, and then, you know, whatever else for the medication, and then I'll get reimbursed. So let's go on an adventure. Alright, so the little clinic was located inside of a shopping mall, so wow, it's linked to like public transportation and everything. So I'm just gonna walk around a bit. My appointment was the cost was like 98 Singaporean dollars. That included the medication and that included the consultation. So that's really not bad, y'all. Going to a clinic like urgent care and it being under $100 US. So 98 Singaporean dollars is maybe like $80 or something like that USD. And again, Crocs are buy 2 get 2 free. Okay, anyway. But like that's really good. So I'm gonna get reimbursed for it because, you know, travel insurance, so I'm happy. So it's all this wall. They even have kids. And they have so many different sizes. After window shopping, I decided to buy a few snacks before catching the bus to my tiny little jailhouse room, as some of you guys called it. Alrighty, my friends, I am back, and this is everything that I purchased today. So let's get started over here first. I went to this store right here, and it kind of seems like it's their dollar store, but everything was like $2. But these drinks were like 3 for $3, and you actually had to get 3, so they were like $1 each. But even this was like $2 for the chip clips, so 2 Singaporean dollars, so that was like $1 and some change USD. But I just got some random stuff. I had to buy some napkins. I'm gonna keep one here and then have one on me, because restaurants don't just give you napkins, you actually have to ask for them, and it's, to me, I don't know, I feel weird. But I was excited when I seen these. This is like pre-soaped kitchen cloths, so I'm gonna keep one unopened for when I get back on the ship, and then I'm gonna use this here because I have my cup that I like to use like often, and it would just be easier to do that. Got a little raincoat, and all of this came to like 23 US dollars, if that. And then I went to their little grocery store. Now I have my oatmeal, but I love fruit and granola and sliced almonds inside of my oatmeal, but I couldn't find any like granola under, I think it was like $12. So I just went ahead and purchased, you know, some Nature Valleys, and I'm gonna crunch them up and put them in my oatmeal. I saw these little animal crackers, yummy, got some more teas, and don't judge me, some little candies, bananas. These are cute. They were 2 Singaporean dollars, but all of this stuff together was like 19 Singaporean dollars, and you know, conversion probably like $16, $17 or whatever. Now for my medical appointment, un momento por favor, let me grab the prescriptions. Got my full name and stuff is on it, so I'm just gonna have it facing this way, and I mean my full name. They even put my middle name and stuff on there too. So I got a small thingy of calamine lotion, some daytime and nighttime medicine to help with the itch, and then she told me that technically I didn't need a steroid cream, but I asked just to have it, you know, just in case if new little spots come up, because it kind of seems like it's spreading a bit. So I just got this. The medical appointment in conjunction with these 4 medications was, let me look at my receipt altogether, 91.75 Singaporean dollars. So to me, that's a good deal. And again, I'll be getting reimbursed. And like, yes, I could have purchased everything minus the steroid cream over the counter, but me going to the actual appointment will allow me to get reimbursement for everything versus just paying out of pocket. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this was today. And this is how I ended my evening, lathered in pink anti-itch lotion, watching Shadow and Bones while eating some yummy takeout. Ugh, so yes, I woke up with a headache. I laid in bed. It's coming up to 3 o'clock, and now I'm about to like jump in the shower to try and like get myself out of this funk. But you know, I just took some medicine for some Tylenol for my headache that has like been going away, coming back, but it's just because I haven't been sleeping good, and my body's been aching just because I haven't been sleeping good. So I had to sit in bed and, you know, still give thanks that I'm here and try to appreciate, you know, that I am here. Like, I'm in Singapore, you know what I'm saying? A Florida girl. I'm in Singapore and I'm doing all of this traveling and stuff like that, and I still, you know, I'm trying to remain positive, and I still want to get the best experience out of this. But like, if I could have canceled my reservation here, like literally I would have, and I just would have jumped on the plane and went to Malaysia.